we have arrived off the beat down of a drive. We're at Freak Show. About to take this transmission inside, get it ripped apart, get parts put back in it, put back together, and head back to the house. But hopefully nothing else is damaged other than just that input shaft, or not the input shaft, but the intermediate shaft. Hope it didn't do anything else to it. But we'll let him check it out, do everything. I think we're gonna have the converter tightened up a couple of hundred RPMs too. So we're just gonna go in here, see what he has to say, just start plugging away. All right, we're back from Freak Show. Got this sucker ready to go in, got the converter in. Nah, just didn't put any paint on it. I'm lazy. Gonna get the sucker back up in here, get it all hooked back up, be ready for this weekend. We opted not to tighten the converter any because we were out there the last time. It shifted really fast, but we had the shift point down real low and the converter flashed. I think we're shifting to 68, the converter flashed to 60, so that's 800 RPMs, then the drop and all that. But anyway, we were gonna tighten up a couple of hundred RPM, but I'm thinking, we'll just go back to the hydraulic fluid, you know, for right now. At this time of the year where the weather's like this and the DA is so good, it definitely can be tighter. But we're afraid that if we tighten up too much come summertime and this thing needs to spool when it's, you know, 90 degrees outside at nighttime, we don't have issues with that. So I can opt in to put the hydraulic fluid back into it. That'll tighten it up 200 to 300 RPM, which is probably exactly what we need. And then when it starts getting hot outside, that'll switch back to tranny fluid. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try that first rather than having to take this thing back out. Since I don't have two converters, I don't have to take this thing back out, haul it back down there, get it done. I mean, it takes them 15 minutes to do. It's just the hassle of the drive of 6 hours round trip. So it's in there. It's gonna stay in there. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just slap this thing back in, get it ready to rock and roll. You look surprised.
Let's see, how many times have we done this video?
Well, this is probably about the 4th or 5th one. So, it's all under there.
How many times have we done it though?
Oh, well, yeah, I mean, some of them we hadn't even filmed.
Right?
That's getting bad. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna jump underneath here. Put this thing back up one more time.
Hey, don't say that.
Well, that's the plan.
Yeah.
I didn't say for all times, I said one more time.
Hey, I'm not gonna say anything because I got my own problems.
Yeah. Did you find out what it was?
No. I mean, I hadn't taken it yet. So.
Oh, okay.
You wanna go out there tomorrow? You got anything going on tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm working tomorrow.
Well, you work every day. But...
No, but I mean, yeah, I'm not. I really got to work.
Oh.
Yeah, I know what you all don't have to lie, but no, I really actually have to work.
Yeah, first of the month bill's coming.
Yeah, I gotta go do stuff. So, all right, guys, we're jumping on here, putting it on. Okay, one more check through. Converter bolts are done.
Yep, 3 converter bolts.
Trans brakes hooked up. Dump valves hooked up. Rear supports hooked up. Drive shafts hooked up. All the tranny bolts are tight.
All 5 of those are done.
Okay, anything else down here I can pull out?
The 2 transmission lines, the cooler, that's done.
That's done.
And then we had the 4 cross member bolts.
It's all done. Okay, let me crawl out of here. Okay, so all we got is dumping the fluid in it.
It just sounds bad. I mean, it just sounds like, just dump the fluid in it.
Well, I don't know how many times
noise, that's the problem.
How many times I've emptied brand new fluid out of this to where it's like, that was nice.
Wish you had a sponsor for transmission fluid.
Good thing I use the cheap stuff. All right, guys, all we can do is dump some fluid in it, and we can set this sucker back down the ground. I may lower the shocks just a little bit more, just the back in the car a little bit. Just that drive shaft gets really close to that, and if it popped, it may. I don't want to hit. So we're gonna do that, guys. But right now, that's gonna do it for us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you guys in the next one.